when I loved you best. We were kids then, we shouldn't think about the rest. You'd put the moon in a basket on your bike front by the coast. The way you fixed it up in pale grief, you were a ghost. You liked to play with darkness, all the universe could give. I was the home you once tried to escape the dark in which you lived. Soon they'd find you lying there at 7 different homes. They'd find you lying on their porches. Do you need to use the phone? And lure you into their rooms. That was the last I heard of June. And that was love I could not allow. You were beautiful then, you're just a cold jar now.
If we could turn it back, what would we want to change? Now's the time to take a chance. Come on, we gotta make a stand. What if we gotta lose? The choice is